Yo, 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 what up, YouTube? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawk. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I am back with another video. So basically, I'm going to just do a fast little review showing off the new M Game RGB dual mixer. So basically, that's what I'm going to just basically show you guys right now. So let me put the microphone a little bit closer to my mouth so you guys can actually hear me with more bass. I don't have the gain all the way up on it. The reason why I don't got the gain up is I kind of like the way how it is. So if I turn the gain up like so, right there, gives me more that gain. I do have the booster on like that, so I do like to talk like this. So yeah, so let's switch over towards the mixer so you guys can actually see it. Just move my camera over so you guys can actually see what I'm showing you guys. Okay, so this is the mixer right here. This is it basically right here. This is my PC panel. Let me move my SD card out the way. So this is the PC panel. This is what I basically use to control all my sounds, like my slobs, my stream. This controls all the extra stuff. As you can see, I got all RGBs and stuff set up like that. Goes with my theme like that. Got the cords. Basically I had to move the cords for it because I basically had to pull the thing for it so you guys can actually see it. But as you can see, this is for I'm trying to remember what this one was for. This one is for slobs. This one is just for my regular gaming. This one is for no, this one is for slobs. This one is for OBS. This one is my regular music, as you can see right there. And this one is for music and stuff like that. And this is for general. So if I turn this down, it'll turn down all the sounds that's happening on my computer, like that. So yeah, so this is the PC panel right here. So this is basically, if I press this button right here, it'll do my sound effects. But right now I have this set for my headphones, so I don't know if you'll be able to hear it, but la 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 la, blah 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 blah. So right now I can't hear anything. So as you can see like that, this basically controls it. This is for my mic. And now blah 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 blah. Ooh, my hands got more ashy. Get some. It's not ashy. I was just doing something. I was moving stuff around on the computer, so let me just put some more hand sanitizer on my hands. Gotta put some lotion, but the hand sanitizer works better. So yeah, this is a fingerprint magnet. As you can see right here, this is for my FX. So if I press this, so as you can see right there, this is for that. So basically, if I press this right here,
now this is my child's voice. So if I press this right here, now this lets me put my my special effects with more echo. So now when I talk, now so yeah, that's what it does. So if I turn this back off, that's what happens. Then if I do this one, so now I'm talking like this. So now when I want to do that,
same tone like that. So turn that off right there. So if I hit this one, this is my other bank. This is going to go to my other set of my banks. So now I switched it over. So now, right now, this is more like a baseball park PA system. So like, Daddy Easy, please come to the main office. Daddy Easy, please come to the main office. Or now batting for the New York Yankees, Derek Jeter. Like that. So basically, like that's what that. So now batting for the New York Yankees, Derek Jeter. Now batting for the New York Yankees, Derek Jeter. Like that. Or you know how when you go to parks and stuff like that. So now I got the other sound effect on. So now this one is that. Then turn this back off. Then I got this one right here, and then I do this more like hello, hello. So I do like this. So when I'm doing this, I'm like, now he's coming to first at bat. Or if I want to do this, now coming to the ring, weighing in 235 pounds, Randy Orton. Something like that. Or Coming in the ring, weighing in 275 pounds, weighing a standard weight of 5'8", Mike Tyson. Stuff like that. Let's get ready to roll. I'm not gonna even do it because I'm gonna get a copyright claim for doing that. So yeah, I do have sound banks, and yeah, I might have to. I gotta turn this off real quick, guys. Give me 1 second. Actually, no, I forgot. I gotta keep the program on. I gotta keep the program open just to use the sound effects, but I can use everything else. So yeah, let's just minimize the program. All right, now I'll be able to do it. As you can see right there. So when I go back to this, now I can do it actually like if I want to do the baseball thing. Now hold on. Now batting for the New York Yankees, Derek Jeter. That's what I like about this thing. I got all my banks now. The reason why they call this RGB, because it's RGB. I can change this to whatever color. It has more modes. It has more modes on it than the actual what is it? The Go XLR. I have my Go XLR behind me. It has more stuff on it. It has a lot of the features that the Go XLR Mini has and the Go XLR. This replaces the Go XLR with everything. The only thing is it doesn't have the automatic faders to go up there. It has everything that the Go XLR has plus more, meaning that I have this connected to my PC. So now when I do my commentary, I don't have to have an extra mixer, something like my fine mixer right here, which is this right here. I don't have to use this to connect it to my PC. There's another cord right here that goes directly that way to my MacBook. I can unplug that and plug it into my other streaming PC to do my commentary and use the same microphone that I'm using right now. That's what I actually like about this mixer right here. You just gotta get used to it. It has a lot of stuff on it. Like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 10 different sound effects things on here, and just by hitting sample, I get that. Then I have 4 of these voice effects like that, and you can actually mod it around with the pitch. I just got to figure out how to you know, mess with the pitch on it to get it the way how I really want it. Yeah, you got your right there. Then you got your right there. It doesn't do the beeping like that. You can put the beep in there. That's what I meant to do. I meant to put the beep on there like for SpongeBob, but I got the. So if I want the SpongeBob one, I need it. I just hit my bank for my effects and I need it. I have that set up on there. I mean, I control everything like that, as you can see. So yeah, I like this thing to the fullest. Love it. So as you can see, I got different things to tell me. The program basically shows you how to do everything. I showed y'all in the previous video of me actually doing that. But yeah, I basically got this set up for controlling everything on here. So when I'm actually streaming, I don't actually have this set up right here. I normally have this pushed back over here because I don't really need to do anything. So basically when I'm using my mouse, the only thing is just simple, go like that. And I got this right here. This would actually sit right here. I moved a lot of my stuff around because I noticed that I do need this half of the time. So when I'm doing my intros and stuff, I need to be able to do this half of the time. But you can get this from Amazon for $199. They actually have another one that's called the the M Game Solo. The Solo has everything this has besides this. It doesn't have this. No, it doesn't have this. It just have 1, 2, 3. It has 3 of the samples. It doesn't have the sound effects. I think the sound effects is just a simple button that you press. I think you can only get one of those, and you don't get the dual streaming thing, what you see right here. So this is another USB right here that goes into the other computer. This is the main one right there. Now you can't use it on the PlayStation 5 or the Xbox like that. I'm still messing with it. I'm gonna need to check to see if it connects. So I got to actually connect it to my PS5 to actually see if it's going to connect to the PS5. but when I tried to, it didn't work. I didn't try the actual streamer part, not the gaming part. I had the gamer part going straight into it. The reason for that is because you need to have this plugged in with the software to actually get this thing to work. Like with the extra stuff, I'm still messing with a lot of the stuff on here though. But yeah, I am loving this thing. It makes it easier for me to use my Mac. So when I'm editing on my Mac, I can use this particular microphone and don't have to use another mixer and try to flip things over to try to get that and have all the cords all over the place. Now, I am still using a mixer right now for my PS5. I can use my SC3, but the reason I don't use the SC3 because when I plugged the cord that I have directly going into here, into the PS5, it's too much gain. I can't control. The only thing I can do is turn down the volume. So I'm using my other mixer that allows me to put bass on towards it. That is actually a mixer in the interface, so I can control the bass, I can control the volume, I can control the clarity, and it's more clearer. With the SC3, I mean, it's good, but like I said, it doesn't have nothing on board, so I can actually control the audio. It's just the microphone up and down, and it doesn't give me the bass that I need towards it. It doesn't give me all the extra stuff I need on here, like how I have this right now. So yeah, guys, it's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker. Only use me time box. Remember, live it, love it, game it. Peace and deuces, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Remember, $199. You could get the solo one off of Amazon. The one for solo, the one on Amazon is about $76. If you buy it from M-Game, their website is going to cost you $99. So if you want to save money on the solo, it's $76 on Amazon. If you buy it from the website, it's $99. Both for this one, the RGB version on Amazon and their website is $200, $199. So that being further said, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces, and I'm out of here. Peace.